Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Tesla stock jumped 4.1% on Wednesday, closing at $446.74, driven by optimism around a potential U.S. robotics executive order and strong November shipment data from Tesla's Shanghai factory. The Nikkei index rose to above $50,500 on Thursday, extending gains from the previous session, as markets weighed speculation that the Bank of Japan could raise rates this month. Gasoline futures traded at around $1.83 per gallon, rebounding from a more than one-month low, supported by the OPEC decision to maintain production levels. The British pound extended gains toward $1.33, reaching its strongest level since late October, as the US dollar softened ahead of an expected Fed rate cut next week. Ether rose to around $3,200 this Thursday, driven by shark wallet accumulation and anticipation of the Fusaka upgrade, boosting confidence in Ether's scalability and growth. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12 p.m., Brazil to release the gross domestic product growth rate for the third quarter, following 0.4% in the second quarter of 2025. At 3 p.m., Canada will release figures for the Purchasing Managers' Index of November, following 52.4 in October. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 1:30 p.m., the unemployment rate in Canada is expected to increase, after reaching 6.9% in October. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index of December, following 51 in November.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.